Hey everyone, Mark again at Seaway Hyundai. Welcome back to our virtual showroom. Got another really awesome pre-owned vehicle, 2020 Hyundai Elantra Essential Automatic. Local trade, customer fell in love with the Santa Fe. Always happy to take in late model trades, but we're happy to take in any trades, so no matter what you got. Don't feel like you can't trade it in, we're here to take it in. So again, Elantra Essential Automatic, lots of standard features. So this kind of replaced our previous GL package. But that doesn't mean you're losing on features. You do get a ton of standard features. And don't forget, 5 years, 100,000 kilometer factory warranty. Make that really appealing. So again, finished in a really nice black colored finish. So you can see we just got a little bit of rain. So a couple drops here and there. I mentioned remote starter, built-in remote starter. A little added bonus there. Let's take a look. Good sized trunk. As always on the Elantras, you have split folding rear seats. Pull those levers, go in, drop your seats down. So you drop one or both. You also have anchors on the seats as well, 1, 2, 3. So if you have any child seats, definitely the ability to accommodate. And you have your donut tire underneath there. So again, nice size trunk, folding rear seats, versatile. That's what we like. And that's why I think Elantra has been so popular. They think of a lot of nice things. So a nice cloth seat. Carpets are in nice shape. Everything you'd expect when you're buying a 2020. Cup holders there for your passengers. Power windows in the rear. So like I said, you're not really giving up anything essential. When they say essential, it essentially has everything you need. That's the best way to think about it. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, locking rear windows as well. Good safety feature for the children. Adjustable driver's seat up, down, with the back support back to forward, and then move the whole seat back to front underneath. So again, everything you need. You can adjust your interior illumination. You have traction control, which you can shut off. I'm gonna just, all right, here we go. All right, well, what else do we have? You got good music. You have volume controls, Bluetooth on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, cruise control. So again, all the things you'd want on your steering wheel are here. On top of that, you get heated seats 3-stage. You also get your drive modes, so you can drive it in normal or sport mode. Again, it's all preference, so we encourage people to try it, see what's best for them. You have your 12 volts, your USB and your AUX plugins down here. Temperature controls, again, easy to use, well thought out. Rear defrost, air conditioning, everything that you expect to find standard right here. And a nice little touchscreen, backup camera, all built into the vehicle. So again, you're really not missing anything. Cloth seats, dash, 17,000 kilometers. I mean, that's great. That's huge. That's one of the best parts about this vehicle is you got warranty up to 100,000 kilometers or 5 years, whichever comes first. So again, 2020 Elantra, Essential, Automatic. Call, text, or email us if you have any questions. Shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs. Also for any of your service or parts needs. We look forward to seeing you soon. Make sure you follow us on Facebook. We're always giving away tons of cool things. Whether you're in the market or not, it pays to follow us on Facebook and social media. Talk to you soon.